Aloha. Today we are going to be unboxing the Galaxy Z Flip 8. We got the pink edition this year. Got some unreadable super fine print. We got some sweet pull tabs, so let's pull them. More pull tab pull. We'll flip back over and then let's do wham bam. So in the box, you got a little box. And in that box, we got paper. We got a little poker. We got USB-C to USB-C. We got some quick start, some care. Other stuff that involves reading. And then we got our phone unveiled. You can see me in the reflection. Another unveiled onto the dawn. And then let's go. Let there be power. Bam. And we got the OtterBox Thin Flex. We're gonna go flex on the phone. You know, one piece. Is that how it goes? Two pieces. Welcome. Look at it. MagSafe. Snap it on, is that what we do? Snap, snap, crackle pop. There you go, you can still see the pink because it's see-through, which is pretty sweet. Make it easier to find having them pink. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you got one, what color, what type, how much memory, what made you decide to get one. If you just like to flip. Okay, everyone. See you on the next one.